Welcome to my channel. The new 2027 Mercedes C-Class was unveiled in Germany. The premium sedan has undergone a major transformation and is now an electric vehicle. The Mercedes C-Class sedan features the brand's new design, language, and has a more distinctive appearance. Its silhouette is sleeker, featuring a wide, illuminated chrome grille and headlights adorned with Mercedes logos. Inside the Mercedes C-Class, sound insulation has been enhanced and eco-friendly materials are used, while the panoramic roof is illuminated with three pointed stars. A large three-section screen spans the entire width of the dashboard. The Mercedes C-Class electric vehicle debuted in the all-wheel drive C400 4MATIC version with 490 horsepower, capable of accelerating to 100 km per hour in 4 seconds and reaching a top speed of 210 km per hour. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.